Welcome to Excel Logic Pro. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to use not function. The Excel not function is a logical function that allows you to check if one value is not equal to another. It returns the opposite of a given value. So, not function, it returns the opposite of the given value. So, if you pass a true value to this function, it returns false. So if the answer is true, it returns false, and if you pass a false value, it returns true. So this function is the opposite. So if the answer is true, it returns false, and if the answer is false, it returns true. Yeah, so let me start. Let me start directly with this function. First, as usual, start with the equal sign, then write not, like this one, as you can see, not, then open bracket, not this one, plus this one is equal to 50. Then enter. This function means that I'm going to check if the value in H2 plus the value in I2 is equal to 50. If it is equal to 50, the summation of H2 and I2, the answer will be false, because this is the negation formula. And if H2 plus I2 is not equal to 50, the result will return true. So if H2 plus I2 is equal to 50, the result will be false. And if H2 plus I2 is not equal to 50, the result will be true. Yeah, as you can see, I have entered this formula. So let me drag. Now you can check 50 plus 40. The answer is not 50, and the result is true, because 50 plus 40 is not equal to 50. So because not function go opposite with the exact answer, so that's why it returns true. As you can see, also this one, set 4 plus 98, the answer is not equal to 50. But because this not function is the opposite of the answer, that's why the answer is true. Let me put maybe this one, 45 and 45. The answer is 50. If we check this one plus this one, the answer is 50. And because we negate or we use opposite function, so the answer is false, because 25 plus 24, 25 plus 25, the answer is 50. So because it is opposite of the answer, that y is false. As you can see, also this one plus 0, the answer is false, because 50 plus 0 is 50, so the answer is true. But because it is opposite, that's why it is false. The answer is false. Yes. Let me say 24 plus 26, then as you can see here, 8 and 2. And this one, let's say 8, the answer is 50, but it returned false because it is opposite of the answer. Yeah, this is how you can use the not function. So not function means go opposite with the answer. So if the answer is true, it returns false, and if the answer is false, it returns true. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe in order to get more important videos. Also subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you for watching this.